Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Kiel Close. Show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Property has off-road parking, 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom and a downstairs WC, as you can see here upon entry. Very handy to have. Again, walking through the hallway, access to the WC, and then we've got this lovely lounge here. Very spacious, access there up to the first floor. Property would be a perfect first time buy or a great family home. The lounge flows through into the kitchen. So you can see the kitchen comes all the way back here. We have a dining table, got a utility space here as well for our dryer and our dishwasher. Got our appliances as well. Modern fitted kitchen, mixture of low and base units, and then coming through here into the conservatory. As you can see, it's a great space. You've got further seating there as well. And then one of the best features of the house is this absolutely fantastic garden, which wraps around all the way down here. This is definitely one of the big features on the property as well. You can see just how much land we have here as well. So there's lots of scope with this land to do lots of things if you wanted to build, extend, or just have a great play area for kids or for a family. You can see just how great the space is and how much potential is coming with this house as well, with this fab piece of land. You can see the conservatory there on the rear of the property. So now coming back through, going up to the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. So the property is spacious throughout, has off-road parking. It's situated on a nice quiet cul-de-sac. It's within walking distance to transport links into Manchester city centre, Salford Quays, Media City, and is within walking distance to the Trafford Centre, making it very easy for commuting, for shopping, local amenities nearby, and within walking distance and proximity to Monton. So this is our main bedroom here. Got fitted wardrobes, we've got a double bedroom, a double bed in there as well. And then this is the second bedroom. As you can see, plenty of space in there, 2 separate single bedrooms and some furniture there as well. And then we have the third bedroom here, which is currently used as storage. So you've got great space there, got a cupboard in there with further space for storage, and then we have our family bathroom suite here, which is a 3-piece suite with the addition of a shower over the bath. This property would be a fantastic family home. It's in an excellent location. If you would be interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on 061 707 4900.